The Voice of the Philippines will start in 3, 2, 1.
Last weekend, nagpasabog na ang 12 artists sa unang performance night ng The Voice of the Philippines.
Pinili na rin ang unang walang artist na magpapatuloy sa kompetisyon ng voting public.
Darius!
Sa lahat naman po ng sumuporta sa akin at bumoto, maraming salamat.
Laya!
Moni!
Sana po huwag po kayong magsasawang sumuporta. Maraming salamat.
Kai! At ng mga coaches. Soy!
Nino.
Thank you so much. You don't know how much this means to me and to my family.
Jason.
Coach, thank you so much for believing in me, that I can still be part of the show. Sa pagbabalik ko, mas bumoble ang confidence ko.
At ngayong gabi, sasabak naman ang next 3 artists ng bawat team.
Ang Team Apple, Alisa, Brad, Maki.
Ang Kangkawayan, Army, Fred at Tanya.
Ang Team Sarah, Douglas, Jason D, at Kokoy.
Team Leah, Casper, Myron at Timmy.
Patindi ng patindi ang mga kaganapan na dapat abangan ngayong gabi.
Kaninong pili kayo kakapit?
Kaninong pangarap ang malapit ng makamit.
Dito lang yan sa second performance night ng programa kung saan pangarap ang puhunan at
Boses ang labanan. The Voice of the Philippines. Welcome sa pangalawang performance night ng The Voice of the Philippines!
yes, mga kapamilya, last week po ay napanood natin ang performances ng first batch of 3 artists ng bawat team. At ngayong gabi, syempre Luis, hindi magpapahuli ang ating second batch of artists na magpapasiklaban dito sa The Voice stage.
At syempre, ang mga gumagabay sa ating mga artists sa kanilang performances tonight, our beloved coaches.
Yes, international hip-hop sensation, Apple DM!
Philippine rock icon coach, Bamboo!
Concert royalty, Sarah Geronimo!
And our Broadway diva coach, Leia Salonga!
Narito naman ang dalawa nating katropa na nakatutok talaga sa ating online world. The reporters Alex and Robbie. Hello!
Good evening mga pamilya all over the world! At nandito pa rin tayo sa OKC or sa Online Kwentuhan Corner. At grabe ang buhos ng mga komento ng ating mga pamilya online sa ating mga official social media accounts.
And yes, it's me. Our official hashtag tonight, hashtag The Voice ABS-CBN. Don't forget, uulitin ko, hashtag The Voice ABS-CBN. Back to you, Mama Tony.
Maraming salamat, Alex. Samantala mga kapamilya, ang unang artist po na lalaban ngayong gabi ay mula sa Team Apple! Siya po ang tinaguriang Ultimate Contesera at Ultimate Viritera. Narito ang rehearsals na ginawa ni Mackie.
Kanta ko po ay Making Love Out of Nothing at All. Nasalihan ko na po yung 150 contest na po yun. Parang gusto ko na pong mag-level up po yung craft ko.
Your vocals is very powerful, but I need you to connect with your body. I need you to listen. Naglalakad ka, you kind of just like, I need you to like, you know, remember, you got your audience, this is your moment, you know?
Tapos na ako sa mga amateur singing contest. Kaya gusto ko mo ipanalo to.
Just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to
finals na yung performance na yan, Maki. Pero ano kaya ang hirit ng ating mga coaches mula sa isa ring bumibirit na si Coach Sarah?
Napakahusay mo naman, Maki. Oo nga, kung grand finals naman yung performance mo, panalong-panalo ka doon. Congratulations, Maki. Ang napakagaling mong vocalist, belter, pero you know how to tell the story of the song. Ang galing. Perfect lahat. Congratulations.
Thank you po, Coach Sarah. Sabi ni Coach Sarah, perfect daw ang pagkakaawit mo ng song na yon. Ganun din kaya ang opinion ng iyong coach na si Coach Apple.
Mackie, oh my God. Nakikita ko na talagang serious ka sa competition na to. I could tell you wanna win. Para kang baka.
Bakit?
Kasi Mackie, ikaw na!
Thank you po, Coach.
Naku mga kapamilya, simula pa lamang po yan. Kung kayo ay sumasangayon sa sinabi ng dalawa nating coaches, kung talagang si Maki ay deserving pang manatili sa competition, all you have to do is text a voice space Maki. And the spelling of Maki is M-A-C-K-I-E. At abangan niyo po mamaya ang pagbubukas ng voting lines. We will give you the cue on when and how to vote. Samantala, ang susunod nating artist ay kuwelang-kuwela mula sa Team Leia. Narito po ang ginawang paghahanda ni Myra.
Kakantayin ko ay Wake Me Up. Madi-describe niya yung paglalakbay ko. Na-realize ko na ito pala yung gusto kong balikan ulit. Magkanta.
I want the audience na parang when they hear you sing this, yun pala yung lyrics na yun. We have to know what this song means to you. Ay, masaya na itong panoorin. Your charm was spilling off the stage, which is good.
Ibang level na tong live shows na to. Si Myro Olympic na yung makikita mo. This is a competitive Myro Valera that you will see.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where this journey will end, but I know where to start. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone, and love is a prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
Thank you very much, Myra, for that performance. Ano kaya ang masasabi ni Coach Apple doon?
Hey, brother, a great job, man. You did an awesome job up there. You were just smooth sailing. Wala akong nakitang mali. You just enjoying yourself up on that stage, and you deserve it to be on that stage. So, congratulations.
What about your coach, Leia?
Sa rehearsal pa lang nag-i-enjoy talaga ako sa performance mo. And the cool thing about this is na-level up mo pa na your charm and your personality talagang umapaw mula sa stage hanggang dito sa buong audience ng Resorts World. Hi!
nakakagising ka talaga. So congratulations sa'yo, Myro.
Maraming salamat, coaches. At mga kapamilya, kung sumasangayon kayo sa sinabi ni Coach Leia, kung nagising din ba kayo sa performance ni Myro, ang kinakailangan niyo lamang pong gawin ay i-text ang voice space Myro. Spelling ng Myro ay M-I-R-O. At pwede niyo po siyang iboto mamaya po sa dulo ng ating programa sa pagbubukas ng voting line. Samantala mga kapamilya, up next, si Jason D ng Team Sarah, Renz Rapada ng Team Bamboo. Dito pa rin yan sa second performance night ng The Voice of the Philippines.